Wow. Over $171 million in less than 30 hours and over $240 million in less than 48 hours. Millions of dollars have been pumped into Terra Classic LUNC. Remember, this coin, as of yesterday, started pumping massively. This started 2 days ago when Terra Classic dropped, okay? But immediately we saw the turning point. Terra Classic started rising. People started investing huge amounts of money on Terra Classic. You can see right now, as of the time of recording this, they've gained more than $171 million. And in fact, the trading volume of Terra Classic, as of the time of recording this, is also hitting over $650 million trading volume in less than 48 hours and about 600 million in less than 24 hours. Okay, that tells you that this is good for Terra Classic, and I believe this is actually going to help Terra Classic also to burn more coins. Okay, now one important thing to understand is that we're happy because the market cap of Terra Classic as of 2 days ago was just trading at $421 million market cap. Wow, $421 million. But at the time of recording this, the Terra Classic market cap is hitting almost $600 million. You see, this is amazing. And I hope Terra Classic continue this way and hit $1 billion mark very soon. And I'm happy that things are changing, and all thanks to Binance founder. Okay, yes, Binance founder didn't give up. Okay, Binance founder has been supporting Terra Classic LUNC, and they've been burning coins, supporting this coin, even though when so many people gave up on Terra Classic, the coin even dropped to, we are scared Terra Classic might even hit top 150 or 200. I did a video about 2 days ago where I talked about Terra Classic. If this coin dropped to below top 150 or 200, it might be over, because that was when Terra Classic was going down. But as I'm talking to you right now, it's now hitting almost 70 coins with the highest market cap, which is amazing for Terra Classic. So this is good. This is a good news for Terra Classic. This is a good news for Terra Classic community. This is a good news for crypto industry. Hitting millions of dollars investment. People investing money on Terra Classic because definitely a lot of people actually make money. People to their advantage, especially the day traders, especially the traders, people who trade cryptocurrencies. A lot of them actually make a lot of profit from Terra Classic. Trading this coin within this short period of time must have earned some of them 50% of their investment, must have earned some people 30%, some people 100%. So you see, this is amazing. So let's keep hoping that this continues. Let's keep hoping that Terra Classic will keep on pumping, keep on rising. Once again, thank you for stopping by.